Howdy ArtyAliens and welcome. I am Paul Yateman. I draw stuff. In today's video I am drawing in ArtyAlien's style. This style has been dubbed Biomechanical. I will be drawing a facehugger on its back as my day 22 #ArtyAlien challenge work. I will be using an HB mechanical pencil for 95% of this. The pencil work took 30 minutes in real time. Following this, I applied line work and copic markers, which took another 15 minutes. I will provide a scan of both at the end of this video for your comparison. I'm leaning towards liking the pencil only version best. Let me know what you prefer. Regarding the drawing, the flap to the right, as in on the left of the facehugger, is a bit bigger. I can put that down to either a developmental deformity of the facehugger, wonky perspective, or what is more likely, just plain wonky sketching. Besides the intro and exit, I will not be speaking. Do you prefer the pencil only sketch or the haphazardly coloured version? I think I lose detail in the extended version, though I managed to add depth to the middle bit. If you were inspired to draw in a biomechanical style, or even just draw, share what you came up with in the comments or on one of my social media outlets. Anywho, if you found this interesting, informative, entertaining, you were inspired to draw in a sketchbook or journal of your own, subscribe, like and share. Until next time, you have been watching Drawing Self with me, Paul Yateman. Ciao, take care, and happy drawing.